These batteries are not solid-state batteries, but are safer, have higher performance, and are lighter than solid-state batteries. Yes, these are the Eternalite batteries produced by the 24M Technologies. These batteries are different from what you've ever seen or used. Keep watching this video to find out what we're talking about. In a recent investigation, Sandy Munro, a well-known automotive engineer and manufacturing expert, carried out investigations about the production of the 24M Eternalite batteries and was impressed. What he found out and what we have also investigated would blow your mind. Let's explore the findings. In a new revelation that has shocked the world, 24M Technologies has introduced a battery that charges much faster than solid-state batteries. 24M Technologies says the battery type is Eternalite. This Eternalite is made up of a novel liquid electrolyte that goes inside normal lithium-ion or lithium metal batteries. According to the company, this special electrolyte helps the battery charge much faster by allowing ions to move more easily inside it. They are saying that with Eternalite, a car battery could charge up to 4 times faster than usual, and even add about 1,000 miles of driving range on a single charge. This may sound too good to be true, but it's the real deal. The Eternalite by 24M Technologies has been made to solve the problems faced by EV batteries over the years. Let's consider some of the problems and how the Eternalite has been designed to solve these problems. How 24M Eternalite battery would solve car battery problems. 1. Cold weather performance. One big problem with most electric car batteries is that they don't work well in cold weather. It has been observed that when it gets cold, the liquid electrolytes inside the battery slow down, and the car can't go as far on a single charge. In fact, many EVs can lose a quarter of their driving range when it's around freezing temperatures. On the other hand, 24M Technologies' new battery liquid, called Eternalite, handles cold technologies much better. It still works almost perfectly at 0 degrees Celsius and can even perform well at extremely cold temperatures like -40 degrees Celsius. This means electric cars using this battery would be more dependable in winter or cold climates, unlike most current EVs. 2. Slow charging problem. Another big problem with many EV batteries is that they charge too slowly, especially when you're trying to charge a big battery quickly. The liquid electrolyte often can't keep up with the fast flow of electricity. This can make the battery overheat or get damaged over time. If you use an EV, this is something that you must have noticed. However, with 24M new Eternalite, electricity flows through the battery much faster and more smoothly, and it is because of that, the battery can charge up to 4 times faster than usual without getting too hot or wearing out quickly. Also, the Impervio layer added in the Eternalite battery has special properties to block dendrite growth, which are capable of causing reduced charging speed in batteries. Dendrites in batteries are the cause of 70% of the problems in EV batteries, and with this taken care of, you're guaranteed the highest level of safety as well as durable battery life when you use an Eternalite-powered vehicle. 3. Charging infrastructure. Regular lithium-ion batteries often need very high-powered, expensive charging stations to reach faster charging speeds. Well, when compared to Eternalite batteries, Eternalite works well with today's fast chargers, so there's no need to build new, ultra-expensive megawatt charging systems like some solid-state batteries may require. 4. It is versatile. Most new battery technologies only work with one specific kind of battery and often need a whole new factory setup or a complete redesign to be used. But Eternalite is made differently in such a way that it can be easily added into many different types of batteries without needing to change the battery design or the machines that make them. In other words, it can be used as the electrolyte in many kinds of next-generation batteries, such as silicon anode lithium-ion batteries, lithium metal batteries, and other hybrid designs. With this feature, you can say that the wishes of vehicle owners have been granted. Recall that earlier in this video, it was mentioned that the 24M battery boasts a 600 Wh/kg energy density. However, have you wondered why it is significant? Let's examine some reasons why that figure matters. Eternalite's 600 Wh/kg energy battery. Usually, a higher energy density battery means that the battery would suffer thermal problems or the vehicle would be heavy. However, the manufacturers of the Eternalite battery had this in mind when they made the 600 Wh/kg battery. So they made a battery that offers a battery pack of 75 kWh capacity that could weigh just 125 kilograms. In comparison to other auto brands like Tesla, we noticed that the Tesla Model Y uses a 75 kWh battery pack that weighs roughly 500 kilograms. So this reduction in weight by 24M also means less strain on the suspension of your vehicle and even lower maintenance costs over time. But there's more. Increasing energy density without increasing battery size or weight frees up space in the vehicle. As a result, this could make extra room for automakers to fill in other cabins or a larger trunk for vehicles. Don't you think so? With this innovation set to go into full swing soon, what should the American auto industry expect? What does this innovation mean for US auto industry? This innovation by 24M means two things for the American industry, especially in the short term. First, from a government policy point of view, Eternalite batteries are a smart move for the US. They support the goal of making more EV parts in America, instead of relying on other countries like China. If 24M Technologies can make its battery materials and parts locally, it can help car companies qualify for federal tax breaks under the US Inflation Reduction Act. As a result, buyers can get cheaper American-made electric cars and US automakers become even more competitive. Secondly, because these batteries can either be made smaller or give a longer driving range, car companies can either save money or create more expensive, higher-end models. That means they'll make more profit in a market where it's been hard to earn much money from selling EVs. What are predictions to look out for? With the look of things, it seems that when Eternalite hits the major markets by 2027, we could start seeing the first electric vehicles equipped with Eternalite-enhanced batteries enter the US market. We are predicting that these early models will likely come from automakers that want to stand out by offering ultra-fast charging and high-performance EVs. We are talking about car brands such as General Motors, GM, or Ford, which already have flexible EV platforms since Eternalite doesn't require a complete overhaul of their production systems. If this adoption is successful, this breakthrough could accelerate the decline of gas-powered cars. This is because as Eternalite gathers more ground, more consumers will be ready to make the switch to electric, especially in regions with harsh winters. The Eternalite battery is an innovation that is going to take the world by storm. The 24M's Eternalite battery could speed up electric car progress so fast that what was expected to happen in 10 years might now happen in just a few years. So that's what this is all about. The truth is, this innovation could change not just how cars are made, but how people in the US travel every day. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos to get more videos like this for free.